This is going to be a quick get ready with me video. I'm going to bring my baby back home after delivery via C-section. It's my fourth day and I'm checking out from the hospital, so let's get into the video. Okay, first I'm removing my glasses and then I'm putting lenses. The idea behind this makeup look is to keep the makeup really easy and simple, as I've just got done a C-section and I want to look presentable when I reach home with my baby. For my skincare, I've applied Advanced Nail 96 Mutant Power Essence by Cosrx. For my lip balm, I'm going in with Gloss Boss from Dot and Key. It has a very beautiful pink tint to it. Then I'm going in with my one of the favorite cream. This is from Claire's. It's their illuminating supple blemish cream that comes with SPF 40 PA++. It gives a very beautiful natural coverage and a subtle glow as well. And the leftover product I like to apply on the eyelid to cover some darkness. Next, for the blush, I'm going in with On the Glow blush from Pixie Beauty, and this one is in the shade Ruby. And I really love how glowy this blush looks, and it has a very hydrating property. This is also one of my favorite product. For my mascara, I'm going in with Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I'll apply it on my upper lashes as well as on my lower lashes. I'm going in with a mascara for this look because I'll keep my eye makeup very light. Mascara just instantly open up your eyes, so it's a must. And then I'm also doing my eyebrows. For this, I'm taking this brow pencil from Etude House, and defining your brows just give a very beautiful shape to your face, so this is also a must step for me. For my lips, I'm going in with Plump Up Wet Gloss in the shade Pink Sin. This one is from Swiss Beauty. It is a very beautiful pink shade. Then I'm taking Gold Obsession palette. This one is from Huda Beauty. And I'm taking this shimmer shade and I'll apply it on my brow bone area and inner corner of my eyes, and also some on my eyelid. This step I did to make my eyes look a little bit more shimmery and just to add more joyful look on my face. This is my final makeup look, and this new mom is going to do her mom duties. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.